Alright guys, quick maths man here. Today we're looking at a question I saw on Facebook. I really like the look of this one. Two signal lights, red and blue. The red light flashes once every 6 minutes. The blue light flashes once every 10 minutes. Find the shortest possible time that the lights flash simultaneously. Okay, now this is actually quite a simple question to understand, but a lot of people make a mistake in this one. So I wanted to cover it, I wanted to go behind the maths behind it, and I wanted to make sure we know how to do this one. The biggest thing you need to know here is to read the question carefully, and you need to know how to find the lowest common multiple of two numbers or terms. Okay, so the red light goes every 6 minutes. It flashes every 6 minutes. In other words, it's going to flash after 6 minutes. And then it's going to wait 6 more minutes. So it's going to go after 12 minutes. Then 18. Then 24. Then 30. Then 36. Then 42. Then 48. And it's going to carry on like that. Now the blue light though is every 10 minutes. So it's going to do 10 minutes for the first one. Then 20 minutes. Then 30 minutes. Then 40 and so on. Now, just based on that, we could probably already see what the answer to this question is. Where's the first instance where they flash together at the same time? 30 is the first time where they're both together. So that's the answer. But this is quite a nice question. You could have some nastier numbers than this. So what's a general way to answer questions like this if we need to find the lowest common multiple, which is what we have done here. Let's have a look at that. Okay, we've now established that we need to find the lowest common multiple of these two, the 6 and the 10. So we could do it a different way. And the way I always like to do this is by breaking it down into its prime factors. So 6, well, we can make 6 by doing 3 times 2. And 10, we can break down into 5 and 2. So we can write this as 3 times 2 and 5 times 2. Now we have broken 10 and 6 down into their prime factors. Now let's make ourselves a little Venn diagram. This helps us find the lowest common multiple and highest common factor. So I'm going to put 6 there and 10 there. Okay, now if we notice in our prime factors, 2 appears in both of them. So 2 goes in our little intersection there. 3 only appears in 6, so it goes here, and 5 only appears here, so we pop it there. To find the lowest common multiple, this works for any two numbers, by the way, all you need to do is multiply each of these numbers together. So it gets you 3 times 2 times 5. If you don't, you shouldn't need a calculator for this one, but if you do, you can pop it in there. Answer is 30. There's the mathematical proof, and that's how we found it. So the answer to this question is 30 minutes. Hope that helps. If it does, have a check on some of the other videos. Take care, guys. Ta-da.